So,
Okay.
do you have a boyfriend that like? Do you have a boyfriend right now, or like anyone that like a guy you're talking to, or no?
I don't know.
You never had a boyfriend before?
Nope.
Why?
I tried to have, like, they are just all interesting. I don't know how other to put it. Like, I was trying to start talking to a guy, and then he just wants to move on so quick and get so deep into the relationship, and it is like, let's take things slow. Let's get to know each
Oh,
other.
he was trying to do some other shit.
Yeah, exactly. And I like to get to know a person.
Yeah,
Like,
no,